anybody's thinking of, or they want to save a couple of bucks for a flat top tire changer, or they want to buy a used alignment machine, I mean, they're just penny wise and pound foolish. Hi, my name's Ken Silverman, owner of Lake Norman Tire. I'm the owner, and we've been here 21 years. Here in Mooresville, North Carolina. Mooresville is just north of Charlotte, about 25 miles. It's up on the lake, but 21 years ago, we were in the boonies. We're full general automotive service. We do tires, brakes, engines, transmissions, do lots of alignments. We do most anything, but we don't do any German cars whatsoever here. We can't do it right, we won't do it. Our philosophy here is really simple. Everything we do is for the long term. We don't get fancy, we get back to basics. My relationship with Hunter goes back a long way. We have the heavy-duty tire machine, and we have the road force balance for heavy-duty. We have that in the back. Up front, we have the brake lathe. We have a 4-post rack for extended trucks, dualies. We have the Revolution, and we have the road force balancer here as well. And I have the inspection lane. That's my favorite part. We have the guys up front take the customer's car and drive it in, not the mechanic. They pull it in, they let it run, they get out, they leave the door open, they come in. By the time they get in here, the printer is printing a hard copy out. The customer's standing here looking at the screen, and we're able to go over the alignment right then and there. It's like having an employee without having to pay an employee. I mean, the alignment business quadrupled overnight, and the tire business went up dramatically, at least doubled. And the customer, because he's visually seen it, of course, they can't unsee it. So when you see the big reds and the greens and the yellows, I mean, yeah, that's probably one of my best investments. It really is. We've gone from 300,000 to 2.5 million in 10 years. We're going to probably be on track for about 2.5 this year. We do RVs, chassis down, starting at state inspections, which brings a lot of them to us. And we're growing that business because not everybody does it. In fact, very few people do it. You know, these guys have capital they can spend. They want to travel. They need to protect their investment. It's a hobby and they love it. And anybody will spend money on their hobby. They may hate do an auto repair, but they'll spend money on what they love. It's great money. You just have to have the RV aligner and you have to have the rack. That's my direction. Hunter has helped me grow in a lot of different ways. I think my guys love working here because of the equipment. It's rare that I have someone come to work for me that doesn't say, oh my gosh, because you guys build a better mousetrap. I don't care what the mousetrap is, you take that mousetrap and you just make it better. As much as I love the product, and as much as I love the guys up in St. Louis, you know, they've always been there for me. If you have a question, if I have an issue, you guys are out here to fix it like that. I mean, you don't have to wait 2 weeks. You don't have to make an appointment. I mean, I love your product, but I think your service people, that's the secret behind Hunter. And like I said, I can only repeat myself. I wish you'd come out with some more stuff.